Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to give yourself a luxury facial at home with a steamer. So let's get started. So before we begin the actual facial, I wanted to show you guys the steamer a little bit. It's really cute and small and lightweight. Definitely if you ever needed to travel somewhere with it, you could put it in a small bag. So this is the top of the unit. That small white port on the right hand side is where you pour the water into. You want to be sure that you're only using distilled water in the unit. Tap or mineral water can destroy it. The little buttons I'm pointing to here just allow you to change the steam to hot steam, cool steam, or turn it off. And then that button that port at the front is where the steam comes out of, and I'll show you guys about how much steam comes out of it. So this is the aromatherapy chamber, which is really cool because you can put sliced fruit in it, flowers, or tea leaves to enhance your steam with that ingredient. So I decided to try it out today with some orange slices. So the steamer also came with this cute little headband. It's cute and soft. I tried it on, so it was definitely a nice little plus to protect your hair while you're steaming your face. It also came with this 5-piece blackhead remover kit. Now, I would advise to go to your local esthetician and have your blackheads removed in an extraction, because if you remove them at home, you risk scarring that area of your face. You also can damage your pores and spread bacteria in your face, which is of course going to make your skin worse. So I would advise to do that instead of trying to use this kit and take it out at home by yourself. So it also came with this little measuring cup. It does have a little spout on the side. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. It allows you to pour the water into the unit seamlessly without making a mess. And there's a little notch on the right hand side. It lights up when you plug it in. That just shows you the maximum amount of water that can go inside the steamer to make sure that you're not overfilling it. And this steamer also doubles as a humidifier, so you can put the essential oils or the sliced fruit or flowers in there and turn it on in your room. It really didn't catch on camera how far the steam extends out. I would say that when I have it in my room and I'm using it as a humidifier and I just leave it on, it does extend out about 3 feet, so it serves really well for that purpose too. So I'm going to be starting off with the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse Oil, and I'm using the double cleansing method. So this method is good for gently removing makeup and dirt, and it also protects the natural lipid layer and the good bacteria that is already on your skin, because jumping to that normal cleanser can strip your skin of its natural oils. So you can also use apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, or sweet almond oil. Those are some of my favorites to use for the oil cleansing method. And you want to be sure that you're massaging it into your dry skin. So oil and water don't mix. So wetting your face before doing the double cleansing method is going to be, purposeless. The idea is that massaging it into your skin helps to soften the sebum, which is the oil your skin naturally produces, to help lift all the dead skin cells, makeup, and dirt and debris trapped in your pores. So after you massage that oil into your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes, then this is when you would turn on the steamer and begin to let the moisture do the work so it can lift that material from your pores. I don't know why I forgot to turn on the steamer for this first part, but I still would be doing that same method of just massaging my skin and letting it create that nice milky base. And then I would follow up by using a warm wet washcloth and just wiping my skin off. For this part, I think this is when I realized I forgot to turn it on, so I just rinsed my skin here. And then I'm going to move on to my second part of the double cleansing method, which is my normal cleanser. I'm using the special cleansing gel from Dermalogica. You can follow up with any cleanser of your choice that works for you. I am just trying out Dermalogica's products right now. Okay, sis, you feeling the steam? I am trying out Dermalogica's products right now. I do really like them, but I want to continue to use them and see, what's the long-term effects on my skin. My skin is already moist from using the steamer, so I'm just massaging that cleanser in. And when you're massaging your facial product in, you want to be sure you're using a circular upward motion to get the circulation going in your skin, first of all, and to make sure you're keeping your skin lifted and tight. So that orange in the steamer smells so good. It kind of smells like orange juice though, like fresh squeezed orange juice. I don't know if it's because I have the steamer on the hot setting that it's like heating it up, but nonetheless, it smells really good. It was definitely a nice boost to have in the steamer. So I'm pretty much done cleansing. I'm going to wipe the cleanser off with that warm wet cloth. Then we're going to go into exfoliation, and I'm going to be using the Daily Micro Exfoliant from Dermalogica. This is a powder exfoliant that you rub into your wet hands, and it creates this paste, and you're going to continue to rub that into your skin, massage it into your skin, again, gently in that upward circular motion. So, we know exfoliation is important to remove dead skin cells because they can make the skin feel rough and they can clog the follicles. So there are a lot of different forms of exfoliation. This Dermalogica exfoliator utilizes both chemical and granular exfoliation. So it has salicylic acid in it, which is a BHA or a beta hydroxy acid. It's a chemical exfoliant that works to remove those dead skin cells. So there are two types of chemical exfoliants, AHAs and BHAs. AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids. And when I first started using this exfoliant, I thought that it had lactic acid in here, which is an AHA, because it had such a light, fresh, milky smell. But upon looking in the ingredients, I did see that it was the BHA salicylic acid, which I was really happy about. So the main difference between the AHAs and BHAs is that the BHAs are oil soluble, so they can get down into your pores and really cut through the oil that's clogging them. So again, I washed off my face just using a warm wet cloth, and now I'm going to go in with this Centella water toner just to clean off any excess product left on my face by the exfoliant before I move on to doing the face mask. So I'm pretty much done removing that leftover product. Now I'm going to go in with this face mask that I got from my kit in school. If you didn't know, I am currently getting my esthetician's license so that I can provide services to you guys professionally. So I'll be sure to let you guys know when you can book me. But this mask does have papaya and pineapple enzymes, elderflower extract, wheat germ extract, and hops extract. So I'm just using a makeup brush to apply this mask to my face. This mask really softens my skin, and it also just, I feel like, takes everything out of my pores without leaving my face dry, because anytime I use it, my skin just feels really vibrant after. So you'll see it on camera. And again, it is a peeling mask, so you let it dry on your face, but I'm gonna sit under the steam with it for a little bit so my skin can just absorb it, and then let it dry and flake it off. I probably sat under the steamer for about 1 minute, and then you're supposed to let it dry for about 2 to 5 minutes or until it starts getting dry enough to flake off your face. I went and got caught up doing something else, so I let it dry a little too long, so it was a little more difficult to flake off. So I just gently flaked off what could come off, and then I used the warm wet cloth to massage the rest off my face. You can see my skin is a little red over there because I was like going hard and then I realized, okay, this is too dry, but it still had the same great effect on my skin. I feel like it just looks super clear and vibrant after I use this mask. So whatever mask you do choose to use in your at-home facial, just be sure that it's tailored to your skin type, whether it be normal, dry, or oily. And the use of the steamer does help to boost the benefits of that product on your skin. I removed any leftover product from the mask with a cotton pad and a toner. We won't be using the steamer anymore. We're now going to move into applying our serums, eye creams, and moisturizers. So now I'm going to be using this hyaluronic acid serum from the Inky list, and I am just introducing acids to my skin, so I just want to try them out kind of one at a time. So the benefits of hyaluronic acid is that it does work to help reduce the visibility of lines and wrinkles, and it also is a humectant, meaning it helps to retain the moisture in your skin. So when your skin is already moisturized and hydrated, it doesn't have to work to produce oil and keep you moisturized. Extra cell production can take place. So that leads to smoother and softer, plumper skin. So we're done applying the serum. I'm gonna apply my eye cream next. This is the eye cream that I got from school. As you can see, it is pretty much over with, it's done with, there's barely anything left. I honestly do not know what the heck is in this eye cream, but I really love it. So when you're applying your eye serums or eye creams, you want to be as gentle as possible because the skin around your eye area is so much thinner than the skin on your normal face. So I either use my ring finger or my middle finger to apply the product because I don't use as much pressure when I do. So after you apply your serums and your eye creams, this is when you want to apply your moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer and I'm honestly realizing I don't really like it that much, and I think this video really put it into perspective for me. It just doesn't sink into my skin, and I feel like even in the video you can see it just sitting on top of my skin, kind of giving it this white tint. Luckily I had some sample moisturizer that I got in a package. It's from Saturday Skin. It was called a Glacier Water Cream Moisturizer. Just massage that product into my skin as best as I could, and then I used a little bit of that water cream moisturizer to help give me that soft, supple feeling I was looking for. So now I'm just going to be applying some lip moisturizer to my lips. I used that face mask and applied it to my lips as well, so it got some treatment there. This lip balm just has beeswax, honey, mango butter, sweet almond oil, and coconut oil. And I made this lip balm actually on my Instagram highlights. If you want to go check it out, it's literally just those 5 simple ingredients, and I love it so much. This is all I use to like moisturize my lips. And that is how you give yourself a luxury facial at home, baby. I know we're all stuck in quarantine and it freaking sucks. We can't go pamper ourselves how we normally do. So definitely if you want to invest in a steamer, it does not have to be this one. This one was a little more expensive, and they have steamers on Amazon for as cheap as like $35. So definitely make that investment into your skin. If you like this video, please go ahead and press that like button and subscribe and turn on your post notifications for my videos. I will be posting DIY videos weekly, as well as another video on skincare or beauty or something along the lines of that. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching.